Meaning of downchange.
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 Downchange. Downchange is a term that is used in the automotive industry to describe the process of shifting to a lower gear while driving. This is typically done in order to slow down the vehicle or to provide more power for acceleration. Downchanging can be done manually by the driver, or it can be done automatically by the vehicle's transmission system. The term downchange is most commonly used in British English, while the American English equivalent is downshift. Overall, downchanging is an important technique for safe and efficient driving.